Hello and welcome to Read, Learn, Listen, your friendly place to practice English every day. Today, we will learn English together with a simple and relaxing story called Start Your Morning with English. This lesson is designed especially for A2 English learners. Please listen carefully and repeat each sentence after you hear it. This method is called shadowing, and it is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking, pronunciation, and listening skills. Try to copy the rhythm, stress, and intonation when you repeat. Do not worry about mistakes. Just relax, listen, and practice every day, and you will see improvement over time. Let us begin our story. Imagine a quiet morning in a small and peaceful home. The sun is slowly rising in the sky, and soft golden light comes through the window. The room feels warm and calm. I wake up early in the morning and open my eyes slowly. I feel fresh, relaxed, and ready for a new day. I take a deep breath and smile because I know today will be a good day. I stay in bed for a few seconds and enjoy the quiet moment. Everything is still and peaceful. I can hear soft sounds from outside, like birds singing and light wind moving through the trees. I slowly sit up in my bed and stretch my arms and legs. My body feels warm and comfortable. I look around my room. It is simple but clean. There is a small table near my bed with a phone, a book, and a glass of water. I always keep water near my bed because it helps me feel fresh in the morning. I check the time on my phone. It is early, around 7 o'clock. I feel happy because I have enough time to enjoy my morning without rushing. I enjoy this slow and peaceful start. After a few moments, I get out of bed and walk slowly to the window. I open the curtains and look outside. The sky is bright blue with soft white clouds. The city is waking up. I see people walking to work, buses moving on the streets, and cars starting their day. Everything feels normal and calm. I take another deep breath and say softly to myself, "Good morning, today is a beautiful day." Then I turn away from the window and begin my morning routine. I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cool water. The water makes me feel fresh and awake. I brush my teeth carefully while looking in the mirror. I smile at myself and feel positive. After that, I take a warm shower. The warm water relaxes my body and helps me feel ready for the day. When I finish, I return to my room and choose my clothes. I wear simple and comfortable clothes like jeans and a clean shirt. Now I feel ready to start my day with energy and confidence.